Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to KICKnology. I'm your boy Truth, and I'm here with my dog Anthony, man. So the last time y'all seen him was on my live, my birthday live, right?
Yep.
So we had a birthday live. I'm gonna put that link down in my description section so you can check that out. It was super fun. We did a lot of giveaways, and today I have a package, and he has a package. He has something that he wanted to give away, and we're gonna just open them up. I got a little twist to it that we're gonna do, and just have some fun on today's video. Now, the company that sent us these shirts, their link will be down in the description section, so I'll make sure you check them out. I don't want to give it away before we open it. I don't know what my shirt is, and
I don't know what mine is either.
So he doesn't know what it is, so this is going to be a real unboxing, you know what I'm saying? But before we get off into it, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. We are at 3,100, so we're slowly climbing up, headed to that 4K. I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for allowing me to use my platform to talk about the Lord, man. So, I got my knife. He's probably going to use his hands knife, I don't know. But we're going to go ahead and open this up. Hopefully I can cut the shirt.
Alright. Y'all got to bear with me, I'm new at this.
First unboxing. Alright, so as he get his open, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys see. Right now, y'all see right here, it says Sneakerhead Clothing. This is the company that we got these shirts from. Rep Milwaukee. I will put his Instagram link down in the description section, and his YouTube link. They do a lot of dope lives where they talk about sneakers. They have a lot of people come on, and they just literally talk about the sneaker culture. But, like I said right here, Sneakerhead Clothing Line is the place that sent us these shirts. So, I'm super excited with mine, but I'm gonna wait for him to get his out. It's the same card.
Yep.
Same card coming with this. And it also has a, like I said, y'all know I like the notes. So just thank you for purchasing.
Discount code.
Got a discount code off my next purchase. All that good stuff, man. Follow us on Instagram, Sneakerhead Clothing Line, and Facebook as well, man. So, since you're my guest, I'll let you go ahead and show your shirt first.
Alright, so check it out. This is the very first time I've seen it. First time Jeremy's seeing it. Boom.
Oh, nice.
Hype beast.
Okay. Alright. I was looking at that one. I'm gonna have to get me that one too.
Yeah.
Mine is going to be the black one with MJ on the front. So as you guys can see there, let me go ahead and come in closer. We got the Jordan 1s, we got MJ holding the ball, and we got the hype beast on the face. So yeah, man, definitely. No, it says Sneakerhead. I'm sorry, Sneakerhead on the face on this one.
Yeah, mine says hype beast.
He has hype beast. So like I said, very good material. Shirts are made, good quality, true to size fit, 100% cotton. So make sure you guys go ahead and get you a shirt, man. Like I said, link is down in the description section. Whole bunch of different options. Anthony is not a sneakerhead, but you don't have to be a sneakerhead to buy these clothes. I know it says Sneakerhead Clothing Line. He has shoelaces. He has keychains. A lot of different stuff for you guys to buy. So don't think just because it says Sneakerhead Clothing that you have to have a wall of shoes behind you or a YouTube page to purchase this clothes. That's not what you have to do. Now, with that being said, I want to do something a little bit different than on my unboxings that I normally do. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a second and we're going to try. I'm going to let Anthony, from the wall of shoes I have behind me, I'm going to let him pick three pair of shoes that he feels that go with his new Sneakerhead Clothing Hype Beast shirt. After he picked those shoes, like I said, he is not a sneakerhead. I'm going to give him an opportunity to guess the name and number, if it's a Jordan, of the silhouette in the shoe that he's picking. So, we're going to go ahead. You ready?
Let's do it.
Let's go ahead and get this done. Alright, so we're back. So go ahead and show him the shirt one more time.
Alright, here we go.
So this is the shirt. This is the shirt that he has. Let's go ahead and go with sneaker number one. So I'll take this one. We'll go with the first sneaker that he picked.
Alright, so this is the first pair of Jordans, Jordan 1s that I picked out. I am not a sneakerhead. I do believe these are Jordan 1s. You say Jordan 1s what? I'll say Jordan 1s.
So what do you think? If you was to name this shoe, what do you think the name of the shoe is? It is a Jordan 1.
Okay.
So what would you say the name of this shoe is?
So it's got some Carolina blue on it. It's got some black. I know we call this red toe box because I watch your videos. We got red sole here, so I would probably come up with something like the Carolina blue red toe box Something like that.
All right, so let me give you some options.
Okay.
Do you think this one is the Carolina to Chicago Jordan 1?
Ooh.
UNC to Chicago Jordan 1? Or just go between those two.
All right, I would say it's the Carolina to Chicago Jordan 1. That's what I would say.
This is the UNC to Chicago Jordan 1.
Okay.
Okay. So hey,
and that makes sense.
But you know what?
No.
You was on with the Carolina Blue and stuff like that.
Yeah. So I see that part.
So as you guys can see, I mean, I can see this actually vibing with this shirt. You know what I'm saying? Very, very good shoe. So all right, good shoe for the first one. All right. So go ahead. Let's go with sneaker number 2.
All right.
All right. So shirt again. All right. Now what shoe do you have?
Okay. So now I have another pair of Jordans. And I'm so tempted right now to try and sneak a peek inside this shoe, thinking it's gonna tell me what it is. But I do not know. I do not know what this shoe is. Obviously, it's white and red, and that's one of the reasons I picked it, because of the hype beast across her eyes. That is something I feel like, hey, it would make perfect sense. We got black sole, and actually, no, it's not black sole. We got a lot of colors on this, but all the colors on this shoe are on that shirt. So my being simple, that's what I'm thinking. Hey, I would rock it like this, along with some dark colored pants.
All right, so another good shoe to match with the hypebeast shirt. So what do you think okay, first off, let's start with the number. What number Jordan do you think this is?
Ooh, so these look later. These look newer. Definitely not ones. I tell you what. Here comes a really ignorant question. Okay. How many numbers are there?
Well, it's not. I think we're up to 32 right now.
Oh, that's a problem. That's a problem. So I got between a 1 in 32 chance, and I already eliminated number 1. So I would probably put these later in his career, maybe a 20 something other. No.
So let me give you an option.
Okay.
11, 13, 15.
Ooh, all of those are the 11 and 13. Those are prime numbers.
11,
all right,
13,
so I'm
15.
an engineer, so I'm 11 and 13. I'm gonna go with 11.
These are the Air Jordan 13s.
Okay, 13s then, which is also a prime number.
All right, so now that we got the number out the way, just throw me a name. Give me a name. The Air Jordan 13.
Red and whites.
Red and whites. Okay.
Right.
So let's go with. I'm gonna give you some options.
Okay.
Breads.
That don't sound right.
Cherries. University Reds.
That's a good question. All right, I'm gonna go with option C, and I'm gonna go with University Red.
These are the Air Jordan 13 Cherries.
Okay, so that's what 0 for 2. 0 for 2 on that. All right. They are cherry. They are nice. I like that. This red suede. I can get behind this shoe. I like that.
All right, so sticking with the shirt, as you guys can see, I'm gonna show you guys again. Sneakerhead Clothing. .com. Make sure you guys go check them out. Hype Beast shirt here. So yeah. So now the last shoe that he picked for this shirt. What is the last shoe out of my collection?
All right. So I picked these shoes. If I recall, there was a recent video that Jeremy did of these, and obviously they are black, white, and red. There's black, white, and red in the shirt. So that's why I picked these. And as I said to him, this is the only shoe that I have a chance of getting right. Because I knew, other than Jordan 1s, if there was some other name associated, I don't know what they are. So I only know a teeny little bit. Those are Jordans. They're black and red. That's why I picked them. Okay,
so number.
No, I got nothing for you. All right, so let's see. I would imagine that these are newer in design. They're released after the 13s. That's going to be my guess.
Okay, so what number? Okay, 11, 15, 18.
Okay, I feel like that. I feel like that 18 is just kind of thrown in there at the end. But I was going to say like 20 something.
This is
no, hold on, don't tell me, because I haven't guessed it wrong yet. Give me a chance to get it wrong.
All right, go ahead.
So Again, I'm so tempted to try and look inside this shoe like there's going to be a number.
There's nothing in there.
Okay, good. But I want to be honest, too. I do not know.
Okay.
To first of all, I'll tell you. So it was 11, 15, 18s. I said 11 before. I was wrong then. I would like to go with 11 again because I can't be any wronger than I was before.
Okay. All right. So these are the Air Jordan 11. You're correct.
All right.
What is the name?
Okay. So I heard you say, now if I get this wrong, I get it wrong. But black and red, I heard you refer to them as bread.
The Air Jordan 11 breads. Ding, 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 ding,
All right,
ding. I wish I had an alarm or something.
Yeah, this is the only one I had a chance of getting right. So, actually, I got it all the way right.
Yeah,
11
got it all the
bread.
way right.
All right, cool.
So you guys let us know. These are the shoes that he picked for this shirt. You guys let us know what you guys think. I think it was some great shoes. You really can't go wrong with any one of those. But very dope shirt, man. You know what? Should we continue on? Should we do my shirt?
Let's do it.
So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do the same thing for my shirt. So we'll be right back. All right. So this time I picked the shirt. I picked the shoes to go with the shirt that I got from Sneakerhead Clothing. As you guys can see, y'all see MJ right there. So I'm gonna show you guys the shoes that I picked to rock with this shirt, and then we're gonna see if Anthony can guess the silhouette in the name of this shoe. So far, you're 1 of 3.
Yeah, that's 33%. That's completely failing.
Hey, I mean, I had a lot of 33% in high school, so I turned out perfectly fine, I think. All right, so let's go ahead and start with the first shoe. I'm gonna go with. So as you guys can see, let me show you guys some details. So you see MJ, but you see the shoe that he has around his neck, right? On his shoulders. So I'm gonna go ahead and go with the first one here. And this is gonna be this one, the closest one to the shoe that he has on his shirt. So with that being said, silhouette number and name.
Okay, so these are Jordan 1s.
Okay.
These are like classic original MJ. I remember him balling everybody up in these way back in the day. Okay. So they're clearly black, red, and white. Now, I remember these over here, you called them breads. I remember that because that's a portmanteau. I like to combine words and jumble them up. What these are, I don't know. So these are, I guess, classics. I would call them Jordan 1 classics is what I would say.
Okay, so let me give you some options.
Okay.
We got breads. We got breads, bread toe, or black toe.
Ooh.
So we got breads, bread toe, or black toe. Jordan 1s.
Alright, so I like bread, so I'm going to go with bread toe Jordan 1s.
Boom. Alright, you got it.
All
You
right.
got it. Okay. So, this one here is the black toe Jordan 1. A lot of people, my wife, she sees it, she said, I can't tell the difference. But clearly, you can tell the difference in the shoes. So alright, you got it.
I'm already at my average.
Yeah,
I'm already
slowly getting there.
As well as I did before.
Alright, so y'all remember this is the shirt that we're matching the shoes to. So we had the bread toe Jordan 1s. Let's go ahead and go with this one here.
That's nice there.
This is the next shoe that I decided to pair with this Sneakerhead clothing line tee, the Jordan Sneakerhead tee. So, silhouette number and name.
Okay.
What number do you think this one is?
That looks really new. That looks like a very recent design. It looks almost Italian to me. Okay. Like some European stuff. Okay. So what number that would be? I would put it higher than like an 18. Okay. Would be my guess.
Okay, so 12, 14, 21.
All right, so I feel like you threw that 21 in there just
you always,
I know. So
you always feel like the last number I say I threw in there.
I do feel like that. But again, I'm not very good at this. So 14, man, if that's a Jordan 14, and I'm assuming these numbers are sequential. Did the numbers mean like when they came out? Maybe not. Okay, so there goes my whole system. All right. So if I look at this and you told me that was a 14, I would like that. It's a multiple of 7. Whatever the heck that means. Okay. So I'm gonna say a Jordan 14.
Man, this man on fire.
That ain't right, is it?
This is the Jordan 14.
Oh,
correct.
Wow.
It is Jordan 14.
Cool.
Okay. So now You said it's kind of funny that you said. Now y'all remember, Anthony is not a sneakerhead.
No.
Like not even a little bit.
No.
But he said that this shoe kind of looks Italian and European stuff like that. In the back of this shoe has the tire treads like a tire. I don't know if you know that. Cause of Ferrari. That was Michael.
It looks like a Ferrari.
That's Michael Jordan's car. That's what he likes. That's what this shoe is mimicked after. So you kind of right. It does have that Italian. So it looks like Nike executed very well with the shoe. Name of the shoe. We got Jordan 14 Breads, Jordan 14 Toros, Jordan 14 Internationals.
Ooh. Okay, so I'm immediately thinking Toro versus International. If it's bread, I'm already out of it.
Okay.
So all you sneakerheads who are watching this, screaming at your screen right now, I'm not gonna say bread this time around, even though it's clearly black and red.
Yeah.
But it does look very international. So Toro, so I'm trying to piece together the clues. So if we're talking Lamborghini, no, we said Ferrari. What we said. So we're talking Ferrari. Ferrari uses a stallion. So that's not a Toro. I'm gonna say Internationals.
Toro. Now you gotta remember, this is just the name. This is just the name because of the colorway on the shoe.
Okay.
The actual 14 is mimicked after the car, because they got yellow ones in this also. So you got,
okay.
So you gotta remember that.
So the red, if it's a Matador, I can kind of see it.
Yeah.
Matadors with the Toro, I can see a little bit of that.
Yeah,
but
so,
clearly I was wrong.
So yeah, so the silhouette is the 14. The color is the name that it pretty much gives.
Toro.
So that's Toro.
Okay.
All right. So last shoe for the Jordan Sneakerhead clothing line tee. We have a classic for him, boy. Releasing in 2021 again with the Nike branding on the back instead of a Jumpman. We have the Air Jordan
2.
Okay, so
I need some options.
all right, give me some options.
Because they do look classic to me.
All right, 2, 6, 7.
Ooh, you threw in a 7. The chances of my first guess being right is pretty much slim to none. So 2, I'm just gonna toss 2 out immediately. 6 versus 7. I love the number 7, but something is telling me it's a 6.
The Air Jordan 6. You are correct.
Oh, how you like that?
All right, so we have the Air Jordan 6 Cherry, the Air Jordan 6 University Red, or the Air Jordan 6 Carmine.
Ooh. Okay, so I'm immediately thinking Carmine versus Cherry, because it's got a lot of red on it, real pretty. It's got this right here, that's cherry looking as well. I guess I'm gonna go with Cherry. Got a lot of red in here, so I'm gonna say Cherry.
This is the Air Jordan 6 Carmine.
See, I don't know what that is.
Carmine.
Who's Carmine?
So Carmine is a color. It's in the red family, basically.
Like
so,
crimson.
Like crimson. So that's why we have the Air Jordan 6 Carmine. So those are the 3 shoes that I would rock with my tee. And then y'all seen the 3 shoes that Anthony would rock with his, man. But like I told you guys, very dope tees. Thank you, Rep Milwaukee, Sneakerhead clothing line for gifting us these shirts. We really, really appreciate it. Everything that you need to know for them will be down in the description section. We appreciate you guys tuning in as always. Thank you, Anthony, for entertaining us.
Hope you can get a laugh out of my ignorance, because I don't know.
It just goes to show you that some of these names just don't make sense, but also just looking at the shoe, if you know a little bit about something, you can kind of tie everything together and still figure out the name for the shoe. But I appreciate you guys tuning in as always. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Wash them hands, man. And remember, the shoes behind us, the shoes that we just reviewed, even this shirt that we just talked about, are just bait. A way for us to share our fate. We gone.